lahat tayo may sama ng ugali, pero you're still so And I just wanna say thank you. I really truly appreciate yung effort nyo. Alam ko galing kayo sa trabaho, pagod din kayo, pero bibis kayo. Kung in-attend ang dinner, hindi ako ma-dinner. Kasi mahilig ako matupagabihan si Ate Marijet. Kaya nawala ka naging ka Ate Marijet. Kasi, kaya nabi ko kulang pa na event. Kaya pagod ako. But anyway, we're here. Pupunta kayo sa show, na kahit minsan wala kaming time na parang na kayong mga photographers na metro lang ng to the next, nandun kayo palagi. And even if you're not there, you like my photos, that alone, especially during this time, I really appreciate. So, thank you so much.
We love you so
I'm no
much.
joke. I'm really nothing without my fans. I'm nothing without people who accept who I am, my flaws, and the good and bad, and see my heart. So thank you so much.